very important parts for your scholarship exam and your daily knowledge. So before we're going to learn related words, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, what is meant by related words? So related words means it is a coming for each other. In other words, say some words made for each other. In Marathi we can say related word means संबंधित शब्द, म्हणजे दोन शब्दांचा संबंध असतो. या ते दोन संबंध वर्ड्स एकत्र येतात त्याला म्हणतात संबंध असलेले शब्द. ओके, सो ऑन द बोर्ड I given some related words. We learn all these words. Okay, so first we read all the related words and second time I will tell you why these words coming together. Okay, so everyone look on the board and listen proper. So first number bat ball, second number baker bread, third number cup saucer, then color picture, then cricket play, then car road, then doctor hospital, then dancer dance, then duck water, then day night, then eat drink, then farmer plug, then left right, then moon star, then police crime, then painter brush, then potter clay, then question answer, then read write, then singer song, then school learn, then teacher students, then ground play, then green grass, then hospital treatment, then lock key, then ink pot, then flower bouquet, then family parents, and last one is tennis rackets. So these are the related words. So why these words coming together? Okay, so there are some reasons there. Suppose first word is bat and ball. So why the bat and ball is related here? Because if you play cricket game, that time bat and ball is very necessary to play that game. So this is very important for cricket. So if you play cricket, bat and ball is very important. So it is a related words because it is a combined words. Now baker bread. So if you go to the bakery, there is a bakery is there and they bake for bread. So baker bread is related here. Now cup saucer. So cup saucer. If you drink some tea or coffee, that time we using cup or saucer. So these two is always in together. Cup and saucer हे एकत्र असतात. So it is a related words. Then color picture. So picture color. It's very related here because if you draw any pictures, after you draw pictures, you give their colors. So color picture is always related here. Then cricket play. So cricket is a game. So we play their game. You will play cricket. So it is a always together. So it is a related words here. Then doctor hospital. So in a hospital there is a one person is there. He is a doctor. So there is a hospital doctor is related words. Then dancer dance. Okay, so dancer is doing dance. So it is a related here. Then duck water. Duck. Duck is always in water. So it is a related here. Okay. Duck means बदक. बदक पाण्यात असतो म्हणून ते दोघांचा संबंध असतो म्हणून duck water. Then day night. So day means दिवस, night means रात्र. दिवस आणि रात्रीचा संबंध असतो. दिवस गेल्यानंतर रात्र येते, रात्र संपल्यानंतर दिवस उजळतो. So it is a circle. Okay. So it is a day night is a related here. Then eat drink. Eat drink. खाने पीने. So it is a related here. Then farmer plug. So farmer doing plugging in their farming. So it is a related here. Then left right. So left right is always in front of. So it is the direction and एकमेकांसमोर असतं. So it is a left right like that. Then moon star. So moon star is always together in a sky. So it is a related here. Then police crime. So police is always search for crime, a criminal. So it is always coming that two words for police. So police is related for crime and crime is related for police. Now painter brush. So if the painter is there, so in their hand there is a brush is there. So painter is always carry brush. So it is a related here. Then potter clay. So potter making some clay. So clay and potter it is a related here. Then question answer. If you give the question, yeah, I will give the question, you give me the answer. So it is always coming together question answer. So it is a related here. Then read, write. Read म्हणजे वाचणे, write म्हणजे लिहिणे. So it is also related words. Sing a song. So sing a song. So it is a sing a song. It is a related words. Now school, learn. So if you go into school, in school we learn some subjects. Okay. So it is a related here. School, learn. Then teacher, student. So in a school, the teacher is teaching to the student. So both are in related here. Teacher, students. Then ground, play. So on the ground we play some games. So ground play is a related here. Then green grass. So what is the color of grass? Green. So green grass is a related words. Now hospital, treatment. So if you going for hospital, why we going for in a hospital? Because of we treatment, some given treatment to the doctor. So hospital treatment is also related words. Now lock, key. So lock, कुलूप, key म्हणजे चावी. So it is always together. So it is a related words. Ink, pot. This also together. Ink, shine. Pot means बाटली. So it is also related because it is together. Always together. Then flower, bouquet. It's also together. Flower म्हणजे फुलं, bouquet म्हणजे त्याचं खालचा आवरण. Okay. So bouquet, flower, bouquet. It's also related words. Then family, parents. So family मध्ये कोण असतं आपले parents असतात. So it is always related words. Now tennis, rackets. If you play tennis, that time you using rackets for playing tennis. So it is also related words. So these are the related words we learn. Okay. So if you know all the related words, you solve all the question based on this topic very easily. And if you visit our PDF, there are some related words is there. You visit our PDF and learn all the related words. If you learn all the related words, you can solve all the question based on this topic very easily. On related words in your scholarship exam, the question is coming like that on related words. Every question have 4 options. One option is correct and each question have 2 marks. Okay. So in every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. First you read all the questions, you recognize the meaning of the question, and second time you solve all the question very easily. Okay. So same here, we read all the question 1 time and second time we try to solve it. Okay. So everyone look on the board and listen careful. So first question is, if cup sasa then key ... Second one, choose the pairs of words that do not go together. Then third number, choose the correct word related to the given picture. Then fourth one, choose the word that is not related to the school. Then fifth one, which of the pair of words that go together. Then sixth number, choose the word that is related to the word hospital. And last one is, select the correct option and sentence is 26 January is our ... day. So these are the questions. Second time we will try to solve it. Everyone listen careful and see on the board. First number, if cup sasa then key ... जर cup sasa हे जर रिलेटेड वर्ड असेल तर की ला कुठला वर्ड रिलेटेड येऊ शकतो. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 हाऊस, सेकंड नंबर डोर, थर्ड नंबर लॉक and last one is iron. So what is mean by key? Key means चावी. So house, key, it is not related. Door, key, it's also not. Then key, lock, so it is related. So lock, key, a key, lock, so it is also related words. Key म्हणजे चावी, lock म्हणजे it is a कुलूप. So it is a related words. दोघांचा संबंध आहे. Then second number, choose the pairs of the words that is do not go together. खालीलपैकी अशी जोडी निवडा की ते एकत्र जात नाही. That mean it is not a related words. So first number bat, ball, second number moon, star, third number read, write, and last one is school, doctor. So which is pair is not go together, which is not go together. So bat, ball, it is a related words and it is related pairs also. Moon, star, it's also related. Okay, Chandra आणि चांदण्या, it's also related. Then read write, it's also related. School doctor, it's not a related here. So school मध्ये कोण असतं, टीचर असतं, डॉक्टर नसतं. So it is not go for together. So it is a odd here. Understood? Now third number, choose the correct word related to the given picture. So sometimes they given like that pictures, you choose the proper word for this picture. Okay? Option number 1, bucket. Second number, sky. Third number, kite. And last one is paper. So what is the picture of this? Bucket? No. Sky? No. Kite? Yes. Kite means पतंग. मग पिक्चर कशाचा आहे? पतंगचा आहे. So option number 3 is correct here. Now 4 number, choose the word that is not related to the school. खाली दिलेल्या ऑप्शन मध्ये स्कूलच्या संबंधित काही शब्द आहे, त्यातला स्कूलच्या संबंधित कुठला शब्द नाही हे आपल्याला शोधायचं. स्कूलच्या संबंधित शब्द नाही. सो चूज द वर्ड that is not related to school. Option number 1, teacher. Second number, students. Third number, house. Last one is principal. So which is word is not related to school? So शाळेचा संबंधित नसलेला शब्द, teacher related, students also related, house not related, principal related. So 1, 2, 4 are related to school. Only house is not related to school. So house is correct here. Okay? टीचर, स्टुडंट आणि प्रिन्सिपल हे स्कूलच्या संबंधित आहे. हाऊस हा स्कूलच्या संबंध मध्ये येत नाही. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ नंबर, विच ऑफ द पेअर ऑफ वर्ड्स दॅट गो टुगेदर. खालीपैकी कुठली जोडी एकत्र जाऊ शकेल. ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर ऑप्शन बॅट फुटबॉल. सेकंड नंबर ऑप्शन फॅमिली टीचर. थर्ड नंबर ऑप्शन बेकर ब्रेड. And last one is cup pot. So which is pair is going for together. Okay, so bat football, it is not going together. Bat football, it is not go together. Family teacher, it's also not go together. Baker bread, it is going together. So it is the right related words here, because baker bake bread, so it is the related words. Cup pot is also not. So option number 3 is correct. So it is a correct related pairs, and 1, 2, 4 is not going together. Now 6 number, choose the words that is related to the word hospital. खालील शब्दापैकी हॉस्पिटलच्या संबंधित असलेला शब्द शोधायचा आपल्याला. सो 1 नंबर पायलट, सेकंड नंबर डॉक्टर, थर्ड नंबर प्लेयर आणि लास्ट वन इज पॅरेंट. सो हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे आपण त्याला म्हणतो दवाखाना. दवाखाना या शब्दासाठी कुठला वर्ड रिलेटेड आहे खालचा? पायलट नो. डॉक्टर येस. डॉक्टर कुठं असतो आपल्याला दिसतो? इन अ हॉस्पिटल. सो हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर, इट इज अ रिलेटेड वर्ड्स. प्लेयर पॅरेंट्स, इट्स नॉट अ रिलेटेड फॉर हॉस्पिटल. नाउ सेवेंथ वन, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन्स. ऑप्शन आपल्याला चॉईस करायचं. दे गिवन अ सेंटेन्स हियर, 26 जानेवारी इज आवर डॉट डॉट डे. 26 जानेवारीला आपला कुठला दिवस आपण साजरा करतो? ओके, सो 1 नंबर रिपब्लिक, सेकंड नंबर इंडिपेंडेन्स, थर्ड नंबर मदर्स डे and last one is teachers day. So which is day we celebrated for 26 January? Republic, प्रजासत्ताक, इंडिपेंडेन्स म्हणजे आपण स्वतंत्र दिन म्हणतो त्याला, मदर्स म्हणजे मदर्स डे अँड टीचर्स डे. सो विच इज करेक्ट हियर? रिपब्लिक डे, बिकॉज 26 January is a Republic Day and 15 August is a Independence Day. Okay, so option number 1 is correct here. 26 January is our Republic Day. Okay, so these are the question coming on your related words. If you know all the related words, you can solve all the question based on this topic very easily. And you have to visit our PDF and learn all the related words and with the spelling and meaning. So you can solve all the question based on this topic very easily. Thank you very much.